A cereal manufacturer distributes cases of cereal to grocery stores. Each case contains 12 boxes of cereal. In order to pass the manufacturer's quality assurance test, the case must weigh between 336.4 ounces and 331.6 ounces, which includes 34 ounces for the weight of the case's cardboard box. So the first thing we want to do is write an inequality to describe the weight of the box of cereal. The problem states that the weight of 12 boxes of cereal plus 34 ounces for the weight of the cardboard case is between 336.4 ounces and 331.6 ounces. So 331.6 ounces has to be less than 12 times the number of boxes plus 34, and that has to be less than 336.4, where B is the weight of each box. So we're going to take our inequality and we're going to split it into two. So we have 331.6 less than 12B plus 34, and we have 12B plus 34 less than 336.4. And then we're going to solve each one individually. So we subtract 34 from both sides here, and we get 297.6. Then we divide by 12. I don't know what that is off the top of my head, so I'm going to open my calculator. And we have 297.6 divided by 12, 24.8. And we do the same thing on the other inequality. We subtract 34 from both sides, and we get 12B less than 302.4. Again, I don't know what 302.4 divided by 12 is off the top of my head, because contrary to popular belief, I'm not a human calculator. My family likes to think I am, but I'm not. All right, so B has got to be greater than 25.2. Check our answers. Of course, they're correct. I used a calculator. Okay. Now we put those back together. So 24.8 less than B, less than 25.2, and we graph them. Neither one of them has an or equal to sign, so we're going to be using open dots for all of it. So we'll put an open dot at 24.8, put an open dot at 25.2, and color everything in between because that's where our solution set is. It's everything in between 24.8 and 25.2. What are 3 acceptable weights for the cereal box? Think about that based on what our solution set is. Write those down and have those ready to go for later. Ooh, we have 2 study tips today, or in this video. I'm sure you're watching more than one video in a day. In this example, we assume that all of the cereal boxes weigh approximately the same amount, and that weighing a case of boxes is an accurate test of quality control for the manufacturer. However, it is possible that a case may contain cereal boxes that are heavier or lighter than the desired weight. In application problems, within applies inclusively, which means the numbers mentioned will be included and the symbols less than or equal to or greater than or equal to will be used. Between implies exclusively, and the symbols less than or greater than will be used. That's something to make sure that you get in your notes. Within means inclusively, and you're using the less than or equal to or greater than or equal to signs. Between implies exclusively and means that you're using less than or greater than. Put those in your notes because that will be helpful later on.